A tax collector met Jesus and found a new life.
Kings will bow. Every man will answer.
Jesus meets you where you are, but won't leave you there.
Come with me, and I will send you out to fish for people.
They knew the law, but missed the Savior.
You can meet Jesus and still choose your path. Jesus saw beyond titles, into the heart. When Jesus calls, everything else fades. Broken men met Jesus and walked away restored. One encounter with Jesus changes everything. One encounter with Jesus changes everything. Jesus didn't choose the perfect. He transformed the willing. Love your neighbor as yourself. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world, yet lose his soul? Do to others as you would have them do to you. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Come to me, all who are weary, and I will give you rest. With God, all things are possible. And let the one without sin cast the first stone. Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. I am no longer worthy to be called your son. The condition of your heart determines how truth grows in you. The shepherd left the 99 sheep to find the one that was lost.
A crown of thorns, yet still the true king.
Earthly rulers judged Jesus to mourn, but he reigns forever. Pilate had power, but Jesus had truth. In every moment, he was there. In every miracle, his love was revealed. And in every life he touched, hope was reborn. Jesus is still moving, even now.